The fed a bowl of beans. Okay, I believe it's re-recording here. Let's go up here to make sure our system is still the way we want it. We got some shit to do. All right, output. It's not. Is that where we're going? We need to go output here. I need to listen here. Maybe I need to listen there. I don't care. Wherever you want to listen to. I don't give a shit. Input wrong. Check now. Can you get me? Check you. 1, 2. Checkaroni. Macaroni grill. Macaroni. All right, let's get moving here. Okay, we got to warm up. We're going to go ahead and get the screencast going here in just a minute. Getting the damn software loaded. Loaded the shit earlier. Alright, what the hell's this shit doing right now? It's that 4150 bullshit. Yeah. Let's take it in. We're going to look at. Gotta put the damn level here. What's it not got the damn level here for? Oh, I got that one bullshit still up here in the drawing. Remember that? I was doing that shit last night. You can't see it from there, but you could if you were watching a screencast, but I don't have it recording it either. Okay, so we got this damn price level. We're going to get started on the recording. Going to eat a damn bowl of beans in the process. Get ready. Check. 1. What's going on, everybody? Rocking and rolling tonight. We're getting ready to look at the Fed. We got some bowl of beans. Get your beans out. Get your mashed potatoes, your mustard greens, whatever you're going to eat. Sauerkraut, pasta, rice, noodles, whatever you want. Any of that good stuff. Don't matter. Okay, so we're going to look at some shit on the SPY. We're going to zoom this out a bit just so you can see. You got to at least go out 4 hours, maybe further. And we're going to follow up on the E. So SPY, you had that compression range. You kept talking about compression range here. Kept being a compression range. They broke out of that compression range. Here they didn't do a lot of work. Up through, they're still going to come back down here and test it. So much space down here. And today they boosted off of 400, went to like 413. Let's just pull this out even further on a daily for some perspective. So 413. Is that where they're at now? 412, 412. So you had that big boost in this area. There's that big, huge candle right there, the red candle. That's a big area with a gap. 404. Now, I'm still looking bearish. You're looking at bearish setups here. But the market, when you throw the Fed stuff like this, these unexpected events, it could go either way. It's a gamble. Regardless, there's clues what's happening right now. Let's go ahead and short this shit just for fun. We're just paper trading some orders. Using this just to practice some orders and levels. Seeing what the day-to-day Fed event does when you start trying to short it or change direction post-market. We're seeing what that'll do. Now, let's pull this out for a minute. I'm going to put a stop right or something. Just trying to get more methodical. You want to catch those moves, you got to have your math done ahead of time. You got to be ready to go in, trail stops, whatever your strategy is. And this is how it is. Some darn good beans here, by the way. You know, okay, we keep trying to short 4150. Just trying to play it, see how far. We got 35 is always level. 4110. Got these candles earlier. Let's go straight into it. So what happened post-Fed? We're going to get these damn orders off of here now. We don't need to see them anymore. We've seen enough of this bullshit. So we're going to have to get that shit off of here. I think you're going to style settings again. Let's see. Show studies. I'm going to say show open interest, show volume. Where's show orders at? Extend order, show trades. You do that, it'll take them off. See that? Clean your chart up if you just want to see them, but you can easily turn them off as well. So what they did today, they took the Fed bullshit, 40-80 here level. They played around with it all night. As you see there, they just played around 40-80. Made an attempt come back and touch yesterday's cash session high. Right there. Dropped back. And when the Fed thing came out, initially did a waiver. And it came back up and came down here. Let's go out to let's go out to a 1 minute today. I don't normally do 1 minute charts. I just want to see. When you're looking at these candles here, like especially on this, for these type of short events, you may want to get a shorter time frame. So you see 40-48 happened there. It came back and pulled it. So basically 40-48, you get 40-50. So there's your 40-50. Came back with this ghost candle. That's your ghost candle here in the 1 minute. Burst through ghost candle 2, ghost candle 3, ghost candle 4. Retest. They got a short order up here. Ghost candle turnaround. You try to get down to the downside, turnaround, hold the previous candle. See what they're doing. Same kind of bullshit here. Tiny turnaround, not even worth noting. And then up, 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 up. Really? I mean, you had a few little, you could call that a ghost candle, I guess. But it's not giving much right now. At all. We'll start looking at some of this overnight shit on a one. I don't really like 1 minute. I like 3 minute. You can see where it is there. So anyways, you had the big move up. The Fed, that's the one-off event. Don't trade in Fed day unless you have to. Or unless you're good at it. You practice and you get good at it. They're going to chop you before all your options. And after, they're going to make the swing so big, it's going to hurt. Finally starting getting that little downside here. Let's take this out to like, I don't know if I have 3 minutes to up here or not. Used to like 3 minute charts. Let's go to a 5 minute. But you can make a 3 minute chart if you wanted to. You come up here, come to customize list, add time frame, daily. So daily, starting to get a nice little pullback there. It's actually finally going to work if you'd stuck with it. Day, time interval. We're going to be doing intraday. 1 day, 3 minutes. Not 1 minute, not 2 minutes, but 3 minutes. Add your custom time frame here. Move up. There's your 3 minute chart. Do you like the 3 minutes? I like 3 minute charts. But I think it'll come in a little handier than a 5 minute. So there you go in a 3 minute. Starting to get that. And if you want to turn this into a trailing stop, you could right click on this here. Cancel replace order. Come down here. Go to trailing stop. Change it up to whatever conditions. Now see now it's going to trail down. We're trailing down at 2.5 points. So now you've changed that just to try and capture that movement there, right? And you could say, do I want to go out now? Do you want to do whatever? That's 5 full-size contracts. So, I mean, here you can say, do you want to get out? Do you want to let it hold? You want to put a hard stop in further up and let it move? Do you want the trailing stop just to chop it out? So that's what you got to look at. You got to be excited about this shit. You got Apple, and whether you're paper trading, whether you're real trading, hopefully nobody got hurt today. Could easily got hurt in today's market action. So, just how you want to do. We're trying to regain like 41.40. Finally had a 50 to 40. You had to be in that break there. Where's the entry price at on this? 14.45. So I didn't even get in at the top. Probably gonna take it out here, but who gives a shit, right? Your back changes a little bit on this candle. You had a nice little drop there. Then we'll bounce them back, but just let it do what it wants to do. It'd be nice if it keeps dropping though. But maybe it'll be a shorty candle. You can't tell the length of the candle based on the candle wick. Sometimes you get a candle wick like that. It'll be a long candle. Sometimes it'll just come back. So this one's might be a long candle. We don't care. Whatever. Just chopping up and down right now, so you got to make sure to have something whether you want to get out or not. Let's see if we're out here yet. Out. Just took it out. So, fun. Just wanted to test that level again. I keep buying it up. Eventually, they're going to drop it. Start getting that move again. Well, maybe it'll come out tomorrow. Up here. When they could move it again, maybe to 41.80. Don't forget your 41.80 level. Otherwise, it could go down to 40.80. I mean, most of these, when they do this kind of move, there's no base here. There's no real support. Only thing they can do is throw some more ghost candles off the top. They don't get those ghost candles in like this. People are going to come in and start selling that shit. Just simple as that. So, I'm going to cover what's earnings tomorrow. I don't even know what earnings tonight was. To be honest with you, I don't care. Let's look at Amazon. Is that a real price drop? It's around 108 right now. See that shit? Let's take a look at Amazon, Apple, and Google. No funny sounds and stuff like that tonight. 102 to 110. It's about 109 now. Didn't have a substantial move. Check this out. I guess it's based on metas. I mean, you had that move here from 101 to like 106. So I guess that's a pretty good move. And then it had that sort of spike there. I mean, if you'd got that move, shit. On stock, yeah, you're good. Didn't get that move. It's all right. We got more to come. Still think we're coming back down to around 80-ish, 78. So I'm looking for a decline of $78 on Amazon. You've already getting some spikes and some shits and giggles right now. I wouldn't really expect Amazon to drop crazy. Maybe do something like 97 to $92 after earnings. So we'll see how it plays out. And then maybe it's earnings tomorrow. So I'm not going to be on again till after earnings has already transpired. So I'm going to stick with that level right there. Apple, I don't see anything crazy happening. I see it coming back to about 137. I mean, let's just take a look here. 137. Yeah, like 137. Ooh, a big drop on Apple. 137. Okay, that's what I see happening. So I see Apple dropping back. Let's take a look at Google. This one may surprise to the upside. I'm going to get ready to run. I got more stuff to eat. I'm also going to cover Tilray by special request. Tilray by special request. $86, $100. I think that all these other stocks have got pushed up. And the Mr. Google, I think Google's going to go surprise to the upside. 118 maybe. So I got target about 118 on Google, Apple, and Amazon respectively. I expect to sell down after earnings. We'll see if that happens. You're going to have that market to contend to, so they may push it up first. They're pushing the whole damn market in these earnings. They're pushing it. The Fed. Everybody's all about this big earnings tomorrow. What's hell's going to happen? Tilray, boring, 273, 333. Let's zoom this out. I hold no punches when I look at this shit. It is what it is. You had that big crazy thing here. That's not going to happen again. You got support there previously around $4. It's tough. It's basing. All these other ones are based from level to level to level to level. You're either going to fail right here or you push back up to $4. What I see, it's going to take an event or some kind of something to happen before you're going to get back to that $10 range. And when it's going to get there, when are you going to get some of these candles, these ghost candles in there? That's a good guess. Is it bad? As long as it stays over like 270, you're probably good to stay in that. Maybe even take it down like 250 as your stop. Gets over here, just keep ratcheting it up. But yeah, it's going to go here at some point. You can have up to like maybe $6 and maybe my first target is right there at 630. That's just a simple double. So when's it going to happen? I don't know. But it was up, and for a short time. When's the last run we had? Was that it? Was that last year? Came to like $4 and did this bling and then boom. All right. So yeah, it should probably get some interest here. What do you have? Earnings just happened, I believe. I don't know what they are, nor do I give a shit. Anyways, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here as well. Appreciate you listening. We'll be back here at 10:30. Have a great night.